Welcome to the fifth part of that green thing tutorial. The whole playlist about this software is linked above. We will add a new work, this time we will do it really fast. Title, appropriately, Fast Thing. We have two writers, the first one is Tony Toonson, in this work both composer and lyricist. Published by Lame Lemmings, a fictional publisher, with a general agreement. The data from it, the administrator, agreement number and fee, were copied from there. Of course you can override everything. That green thing cannot hold data about agreements between client publishers and their writers, so here we have to enter shares manually. It's possible to import their data from Excel files, topic for our next video. The second writer, Carmen Cartoon, is our direct client, so not only that publisher, agreement number and fees are copied, it is enough to enter the first share, the rest is calculated automatically. Impressive, I know. The work was saved, it says we control 100%. Let's have a look at Lame Lemmings first. Here is the general administration agreement data that was copied. Okay, now let's have a look at Carmen. Here is her agreement data, these shares are used for calculation, they are not simply copied. Besides the breadcrumbs and the side menu, there is an even faster way to navigate through that green thing. Here is Carmen, and on the right-hand side, there is a number of works where she is a writer. When we click on the number, we get her 5 works. There are many such columns, we can see 2 in this very view. Some change list views also feature actions. We use them by selecting items, either all or one at a time, and then select the action and click on Go. Some actions are simple, like downloading a CSV file with the data from selected works. Others are quite more complex. Note that we are still showing only Carmen's works. Let's add more data to this one. You may have noticed that Cartoon is now listed before Toonson. The chains are sorted automatically. Okay, let us add a recording. We don't need to enter the title if it is same as work title. Selecting recording label and artist. Now we enter duration, note the notation. Hours, minutes, seconds. And we select the release date. It can be entered directly, by clicking on today or by using the calendar. You can choose your favorite date format. Let us also add an alternative title. Work title, recording titles and version titles don't have to be repeated in this section. That fast thing. Well, we are not 3 minutes into this video, and we have covered so much ground. Save, one recording, click, list of recordings. Well, only one is currently entered. Let's have a look at this artist. The form for artists. You get the point. This video is not much shorter than previous tutorials, it is just much faster. Here is our next tutorial and the whole series below. And here are 2 videos from our Music Publishing 101 series, featuring that red baby thing called DMP. Please share with music industry professionals, particularly in music publishing. And keep watching.